Hi there, welcome to our channel FleetTech. In this video, we will talk about how to book a flight on Expedia. So for this, let's move to our mobile screen. And first of all, locate for Expedia app. Once you found it, click on it to open. So once the app is open, now you need to sign in. So now we have this interface which is called your dashboard. So there we have the flights option. Click on flights. So there we have three options. The one is round trip, then we have one way, then we have multi-cities. So I will go with round trip here. First of all, choose the location from where you will fly. So I will choose simply a location for an example. I will go with this one and we are going to add a location too. So let's add Australia here. So I will go with Sydney. Okay, so now you need to select a date when you are leaving. So just simply add a date that you want to. So I will go with these dates here and click on done. So now you need to add travelers. You can add the children's, then you can add infants in seat and infants on lap. So when you add all these details, click on search. You will get the flights if they are available on that date. If it's not, then you can simply change the dates. So this is how you can book a flight. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.